Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best custom throw blanket is probably one of the most versatile and heartwarming additions you can make to your home decor, offering a unique blend of comfort, personalization, and style that transforms any living space into a cozy sanctuary, making it an ideal choice for gifting or simply treating yourself to a touch of bespoke luxury that speaks volumes about your personal taste and cherished memories. Number 5. Sew your own wardrobe, 80+ techniques. Discover a comprehensive guide to sewing your own clothes. This book offers over 80 essential techniques to elevate your skills. From basic stitches to advanced tailoring, learn everything you need to create a custom wardrobe. It's perfect for beginners and experienced sewers alike. Imagine wearing outfits you've made yourself. This resource provides the knowledge and inspiration to bring your fashion ideas to life. Follow clear, easy-to-understand instructions for each technique. You'll gain confidence with every project you complete. Explore a wide range of sewing methods that go beyond the fundamentals. You'll be creating professional-looking garments in no time. This is your go-to manual for all things sewing. With over 80 techniques covered, it's an invaluable addition to any crafter's library. What we like. This blanket allows you to turn your cherished photos into a soft fabric keepsake. If you're looking for a deeply personal gift that captures precious memories, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for anyone wanting to create a unique and sentimental item for themselves or a loved one. What people say. On top of well-displayed steps, there's a wonderful website where I can print out a PDF and assemble skirts, bodices, dresses, in my size. It is very thorough, includes information like what needle size you need for a specific fabric, what that fabric is used for, stitch length and width to use, etc., etc. The book shows how to sew different seams, with good explanations and photos. Even shows how to sew the entire garment, including when finishing seams. Commercial patterns give you the sequence, but do not show when to serge or zigzag seam allowances. You need to figure on your own. Number 4. Custom Photo Fleece Throw Blanket. Transform your cherished photos into a luxuriously soft blanket. It's a unique way to keep your favorite memories close. Looking for a heartfelt gift? This super soft blanket is ideal for anyone, bringing warmth and treasured memories together. Crafted from 100% polyester fleece, your custom design is printed with vibrant, sharp detail using advanced dye sublimation. It's machine washable for easy care. Perfect for your living room, sofa, or even travel, this cozy throw is suitable for all seasons, indoors and out. It's a wonderful addition for both kids and adults. Choose from a range of sizes to perfectly fit your needs, from small to extra large. Please note slight variations may occur due to manual measurement. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you're not happy with your custom blanket, contact us, and we'll resolve it within 24 hours, including a refund if necessary. What we like. This kit provides everything needed for a fun, no-sew crafting experience, featuring a delightful unicorn theme. If you're looking for an engaging activity for kids that encourages creativity away from screens, this is it. It's perfect for sleepovers, rainy days, or as a gift for young crafters who love unicorns. What people say. The blanket is super soft and the print quality is amazing. It looks exactly like the picture I uploaded. I love how vibrant the colors are on this custom blanket. It's the perfect size for my couch and has a nice weight to it. Number 3. GirlZone Unicorn Snuggles No-Sew Quilt Kit. Introducing a magical all-in-one kit that lets you create your very own cozy blanket. Everything you need is right inside, making crafting simple and fun. Perfect for young crafters, this kit makes quilting easy with no sewing required. Just tie the colorful pieces together to design a unique blanket. Get creative and imaginative with this engaging project. It's a wonderful way to spend hours having fun, away from screens, and it's great for family bonding too. Crafted with care, the finished blanket is incredibly soft and cozy. Little ones and unicorn fans will love snuggling up with their handmade creation. Looking for a special gift? This craft kit is a fantastic surprise for birthdays or any occasion, perfect for creative kids who love unicorns. Design a special unicorn-themed blanket with included hood material and colorful quilt pieces. It's a delightful way to bring their imagination to life. What we like. This option offers complete design freedom, allowing you to incorporate logos, text, or any personal design. If you need a unique gift for business appreciation, team events, or a personalized touch for any occasion, this is your go-to. It's excellent for companies wanting branded merchandise or individuals seeking a truly bespoke item. What people say. Everything is included, not even scissors required because all tie cuts are already complete, making it even safe for those at the lower end of the age recommendation. So soft. The no-sew design is perfect for children, allowing them to create something beautiful without the frustration of complex sewing. My niece, who is 8, found the instructions easy to follow and enjoyed tying the pieces together. The finished blanket isn't some tiny little thing. It's actually decently big. Number 2. Aizza Beata Custom Photo Blanket. Create a truly unique blanket with your own photos, text, or designs. It's easy to personalize and makes a perfect gift for any occasion. Choose from 4 different sizes to fit your needs. Looking for a thoughtful gift? Customize this throw with cherished photos and messages to bring warmth and joy. It's an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, and more. Experience ultimate comfort with our soft flannel throw. It features clear, vibrant printing that resists fading, wrinkles, and shrinking. Plus, it's machine washable for easy care. Make a lasting impression with custom blankets featuring your business logo or company design. It's a unique way to show appreciation for your team or clients. This versatile throw is perfect for any space, from your living room couch to your car or even for camping. Use it as a cozy sleeping blanket or a stylish decorative piece. It's a wonderful way to surprise anyone important in your life. This personalized blanket is suitable for friends, family, colleagues, and anyone you want to show appreciation for. What we like. This blanket is made from ultra-soft flannel fleece, offering a warm, fuzzy, and skin-friendly feel. If you prioritize comfort and a plush texture for everyday use, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for cozying up on the couch, adding a personal decorative touch to your room, or as a thoughtful gift. What people say. So soft, the logo was perfect. It is so soft, and it's perfectly sized for travel. I love the way my blanket turned out. They got the colors right. I'm very pleased with how my design was rendered. The blanket is somewhat thin, maybe 1/8 of an inch, but it's surprisingly warm anyway. It's also very soft. Recommend. Number 1. Custom Flannel Fleece Throw Blanket. Experience unparalleled softness and comfort with our premium micro flannel. It's designed to be gentle on your skin, providing a cozy and warm feeling that enhances your sleep quality. Make it uniquely yours. Add your own text or images for a vibrant, decorative touch that complements any room's interior design. It's a gift your loved ones will adore. Available in multiple sizes, this versatile throw is ideal for any space in your home, from the bedroom to the living room. It's also perfect for outdoor adventures like camping or picnics. Caring for this blanket is simple. It's machine washable and gets even softer with each wash, without shedding. Just avoid bleach and ironing for lasting quality. Looking for the perfect gift? This cozy throw is an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. It's perfect for snuggling up while watching TV, reading, or enjoying outdoor events. What we like. This blanket is crafted from premium micro flannel, ensuring a super soft and skin-friendly experience with easy maintenance. If you're looking for a high-quality, comfortable throw that's simple to care for and can be personalized, this is the one. It's ideal for adding a unique decorative element to any room or as a practical yet personal gift. What people say. It's so soft and the design came out perfect. Picture quality was great. Very soft and the custom print was good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.